Okay, I'm back from my errand, and I'm just gonna do a little bit more wash. I noticed his ears look dirty. We're lucky. It's like 80 degrees out here today on October 31st. It's pretty warm for Pennsylvania. This is a lot easier for me to do outside. When it's gonna get colder, I'm not gonna have the option of this. And I mean, maybe I can take him up in my bathtub. But I am going to try to, his ears are really dirty. Here, let me clean your ear. Yeah, look at that. Ugh. Can I clean your ear? You normally like it. Okay. Oh, of course. Messed up my dressing. Got like yucky stuff in your ear. Yucky. Oops. All right. Well, that did not help at all because this needs to go back. Sorry, we lost the picture. All right, where's your other piece? I lost your other piece. I don't know where it went. Where did it go? Where did it go? All right, I'm just gonna moisten it with some more of the hypochlorous acid, and I'm gonna put the powder on. I think we are done. I'm not gonna clean your ear because that just makes your dressing fall off. Okay, so this is the Ultra Zero transforming powder. Can you stretch out your neck for me? Again, this is a polymer, like a contact lens. And it basically makes an artificial scab. Cover up this prisma, maybe that'll hold it in place. I really like to get it down in there. So I'm just gonna try to slap it on. This is the part that's healed. It's healing really well in there, down at this end. Oh, there's your Prisma. Okay. I think we're gonna finish out the container. Right, we're done with the what I have, so I'm just basically gonna that's it. That's all we got. All right. We will take him back down into his condo, which he really likes. And it'll be another 2 weeks or so till the next dressing change. All right, thanks for watching. Tommy Tutone. It's October 31st, 2024.